over 70 stunning rooms to inspire your next makeover. We learn a lot about home decor education on this channel, but every once and again, it's time just to sit back, look at images, and get absolutely inspired. So I've created this video just for you. Grab a cup of coffee or a mug of tea and just enjoy this beautiful imagery. Let's get started, but before we do, welcome to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Now, have you ever noticed that sometimes all it takes is seeing one beautiful room to completely change the way that you think about your own home? Inspiration has a way of opening our eyes to possibilities that we may have never considered before. Whether it's a different color palette, an unexpected piece of furniture, or a creative way to style a shelf. All of these can spark ideas that transform an ordinary space into something that feels uniquely yours. One of the biggest misconceptions about decorating is that every room has to look exactly like the photos that you see online. And I always tell you, use these videos as inspiration, but don't copy it one for one. So if you see an image of a beautiful room, just think about how that translates into the space that you currently have. The truth is, these rooms aren't meant to be copied. They're meant to inspire you. Every image offers something you can borrow, whether it's a lighting idea, maybe it's how they arrange the furniture, it could be a paint color, or simply the way that the room feels to you, the feeling that the room creates for you. As you watch today's collection, don't focus on recreating an entire room. Instead, look for the small details that catch your attention. Maybe it's the layered textures, the natural light, maybe it's the artwork or the way that colors work together. Often it's those little elements that end up making the biggest difference in our own homes. Beautiful design isn't about perfection or spending the most money. It's about creating a home that feels welcoming, comfortable, and reflective of your personality. Hopefully, today's collection gives you fresh ideas and the confidence to try something new in your own space and in your own home. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me. I will see you in the next Home Decor 101 video.